Here at Inside Investigations, we receive emails from consumers all over the country asking for our advice, like this one from Catherine. Dale, last year COVID put all my vacation plans on hold. While I was able to change my travel dates for my airline tickets, I could not get a refund on my hotel accommodations. I don't know when I'll feel comfortable traveling again, but when I do, should I buy traveler's insurance to safeguard my money? Catherine, that's a great question. The health climate certainly has added another layer of logistics to travel planning. Prior to the pandemic, the reason most people bought travel insurance was it provided a method of reimbursement if something went wrong that prevented travel, like an illness, which allows travelers to get money back for last-minute cancellations. Some insurances also covered travelers' emergency health care costs while on vacation. But 2020 and 2021 are game changers in the travel industry because even the most cautious of travelers didn't stand a chance against COVID. That's because many insurance policies didn't even consider a pandemic when offering coverage, and people lost millions of dollars on trips they didn't or couldn't take. The good news is that going forward, that's all changing. A post-pandemic travel insurance policy will most likely have standard coverage for COVID-related problems. Coverage will include cancellation if you either get or are exposed to COVID and you need to quarantine. It may also provide coverage if you need to cancel your trip because you have to take care of a family member sick with COVID. It may also cover costs if the location you're traveling to closes its borders, and it could cover expenses incurred due to unforeseen quarantine. What it won't cover is your fear or buyer's remorse due to COVID. So before you consider booking a trip, be honest with yourself and make certain you're mentally prepared to travel under COVID restrictions. If you decide you want to purchase travel insurance this year, be prepared to buy the strongest strength of eyeglass readers you can stand, because you'll need to read the mice type to make certain you understand what your policy does and does not cover before you make your plans. One last piece of advice: if the price of the policy doesn't cause you a little bit of financial pain, be suspect about the quality of your coverage. Thanks for the question, Catherine.